Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim, and today I wanted to come on and share with you some of the new items that are in the Etsy shop. I'm really excited about these items and I wanted to share them with you. So I'm gonna start off with the doilies, and of course you can find the link to the Etsy shop in the description box below. So I've got some new doily sets in the store at the moment. So I'm going to start off with this one. Maybe I should just zoom in a little bit here so you can see these a little closer. This is a set of 8 doilies. And these are great for making your doily flowers or for using on a project. And I tried to give like different sizes so they can be layered. So there's these two beautiful ones here. And then this lovely ecru one. A darker ecru. Beautiful white one. And this one you can cut the center out as well. So if you're making like a doily flower out of these, you could use the part on the outside and then layer this on top. Maybe layer this one if you wanted to, or even this one, and then put the smaller piece on top and you've got a beautiful doily flower. And then there's this really pretty piece. I love this one. Again, same thing, you can cut that out of the middle. And then this is one of my favorites. It's a fabric that's got the stitching on the top. Yeah, that's the right way, I believe. You could use this trim on the outside, and then you just have the square piece here. I love this doily. And then there's this really pretty ecru one here. Again, you can cut that piece out. So I tried to give pieces in that in this little kit that you could get options with, because that's how I like to use up my doilies, is, you know, get as much mileage as I can. So that's in the shop. It's a set of 8. And also a set of 8, I'm sure you guys have seen me use these before, these beautiful little flower doilies. I have a limited quantity of these. They are in the store now, and I anticipate they're going to go quickly, so if you want them, please run over and get them. They are probably 2 inches, yeah. They're about 2.5 inches. And you get a set of 8 of these. So lots you can use. So if you pick up one of these and you pick up one of these, you can do lots with just 2 sets of doilies. So lots of options there. And then lastly, for the doilies, I have these beautiful hand crocheted pink square doilies. And you get a set of 4 of these. Let me just zoom back out again. There we go. So you get a set of 4 of those. That's my cat making that noise. And they're really pretty, and these are pretty large. So yeah, they're like 5 inches. So I've used 4 of these and made a doily book because they're fairly thick. So you could just use this for 1 page, because by the time you add all your stuff on top of it for your doily book, you're not going to need another page. They're nice and thick, so you really, this is enough to make a doily book. Right there, you can see how thick they are. So these are perfect for a book. So there's those as well. And now onto the laces. This one's been in for a little bit, but I did want to show it to you. And I used a piece of this on my live, I think last week, when I was doing the doily book with Amy, and I used it for a pocket. Beautiful Venice lace. Let's zoom back in again. Really pretty lace, and it's got the top stitching on top of the flowers. So you could cut these flowers individually and then use this lattice work for something else, or you could take this top piece off. You could run a ribbon through there. Like, lots of options with this lace. I love it. It's so pretty. So there's that one. And then this I just absolutely adore, and I want to get it the right way up. It's really hard to tell which is the right way. I think it's this way. This is a beautiful, beautiful lace. Gorgeous embroidered lace in a beautiful white color. You could cut this up, but wouldn't that be an amazing pocket if you did it this way in your lace journal? Beautiful scallops there. Or you could use it on the bottom of an image. Like, there's lots you can do with it. I wonder if it's better with my... Now the sun is out. Let's turn this off and see. Oh, no, that's no better. There, try that. Hard to tell. It's weird. We've had thunderstorms today, so the lighting's not super great. So I hope you guys can see these. It's absolutely beautiful. And how wide is that, you want to know? Okay, it is just over 4 inches, this one. One of my favorites for sure. I love it. I think Ivy showed that in her DT package, and I think she also got this one in her DT package. Another beautiful Venice lace. Look at these roses. You can just cut the rose out, and then you've got the leaves right here as well. So this one, you can get a lot of mileage out of your lace for sure. I love this one. And again, it's got the beautiful top stitching on the top. So I love that one. It's so pretty. And this is a new dangle that's in the store right now. It's an old favorite of mine, but it's a beautiful, beautiful lace. I'm sure you guys have seen this lace before, but I'm really happy to have it in the shop. Lots you can do with this. You can cut these flowers out, you can cut the dangles off, you could run a ribbon through here, you can cut out these little flowers, like so much you can do with this lace. Or you can just use it the way it is. You could take this top part off and then you just have like a little edging trim and then run your ribbon through. And then you'd have this part you could use. Or you could do that, take that off, take the flowers off, and take the dangles off. So 3 or 4 different ways to use this particular lace. And I love it. And these are just begging to have little pearls on top of them, I think. They'd be beautiful, or little rhinestones. I love this lace. It's so pretty. And then another new gorgeous one. Oh my goodness, I was so thrilled because photos don't do this one justice. This is one of those laces where, you know, you look at it and you're like, well, that's really pretty. But then when I got it, I was just floored because it's just so beautiful. It's a really wide embroidered lace. Yeah, that's 6 inches. 6 inches wide, but look at all this beautiful embroidery work, and it's the softest, prettiest pink with like almost an off-white leaves, embroidered leaves on it, and then it's got the scallop edge here. It's absolutely beautiful, beautiful lace. I really love this one. This is like a new favorite for me, this one. It's so pretty and delicate, and I love the color. So there's that, and then these ones I just listed yesterday, so I'll save those ones till the end. But I've got some new braided trims in the store. There's this one, and I love this one because this is 100% cotton, and this takes the dye beautifully. It's like a... Well, it's the same color as the background of this, but you know when you get muslin, it's that color. Like undyed, unbleached muslin, that's the color of this. That's what it reminds me of. But it's beautiful for going around edges and going around your images. You know, look how pretty that would be to go around an image. I absolutely love this one. And I have lots of this in stock, so yeah, you can get a couple of yards if you like. It's a good price, very affordable. And then the other trim I got, if I can find the end of it, there it is this beautiful bell. It's called Bell Braid. Really pretty. I love this one. This is one of my favorite braided trims, and I've been wanting to get it in the store for a really long time, so I'm so happy I found a supplier in the US, mind you, that carries this. So it got here really fast, which I was really happy about because, you know, the way the mail is right now, everything's been really slow, but this got here really fast. So I'm glad to have, you know, a more local supplier because a lot of my laces come from the UK and that takes a while to get here. So these are beautiful, absolutely beautiful trim. I love this one. So I might be snagging a yard or two of that for myself, which I don't normally do, but you know, I'm going to start doing some DT projects for the store. So I put myself on the DT. And this is, oh, look at this, you guys. It's so beautiful. It was actually Amy Love, hi Amy, who wanted me to get this trim in, and I hunted it down and found it. Some places it's super expensive, but I found one that is super affordable, and it is a little more on the expensive side in the store of my laces. I want to say it's not expensive, but it's more expensive than some of my other laces because of the amazing quality of this lace. It's so beautiful. This is a real, true, gorgeous Venice lace. And you can cut these all individually just like this, and that looks beautiful with your image on top, and it just dangles down so pretty. It's so feminine. Or you can cut these flowers out, and then you've got the scallops. There's leaves here you could cut out. Like, there's lots you can do with this if you want to cut it, but I like just using like one piece at a time, and like, you know, have all your layers and your dangles, and then put this right underneath and have your image here, and it just put a pearl or a rhinestone right there, and it just finishes the page off beautifully. I love it. So there's a good amount of that in the store as well. So I've already sold some, so please go over and check it out. And last but not least, I'm going to call this my Karen lace. Because my dear friend Karen Billinger, who will be starting on the design team in November, really loves this lace, and I love it too. This beautiful rose dangle lace. It's just gorgeous. I love it. And again, you can cut these individually. So if you get a yard, you're going to get a lot out of it. These are in the shop now. There's a good amount, so please go over and check them out. Like I said, the link is down below. Look how pretty this is. And again, this lace will take dyes beautifully because it's cotton. It's a gorgeous cotton Venice. I love this lace. You can cut all these out if you want. Just use the rose as an applique and then take the smaller ones out if you like. Or, you know, again, you could just use one and it would be like a feature on your page, and then add your bling here or your little clay flowers that are in the shop as well. You know, anything to decorate it, it would look beautiful because it's such gorgeous lace. So that is the new laces and trims in the store. I will be back with another video soon. Please go over and check out the shop. The link, like I said, is in the description box. But if you want them and you see them in the store, grab them because things are going fast. You know, I send a DT package to Amy, and by the time she gets it, a lot of the stuff is gone. So, yeah, if you see it and you want it, grab it because it does not last long. But that's it for right now, guys. Thank you for hanging out and staying tuned, staying here with me to see all the new goodies. And I'll be back with another video soon. Bye, guys.